Look at baby Josh. He's already holding his bottle. Cute little boy like his dad. Oops! Come on, baby, you can hold that. That a boy. Oops, oops. Oops, mahulog na. Hold the bottle, baby. Hold the bottle. Yeah. Oh, let's try it again, baby. Let's try it again. And he put his hands at the bottom of the bottle, like this, so that there will be support. Baby Josh. Oops. If he'll do this every day, then he'll get used to it. Baby Josh. Yep, baby boy. That a boy. Yeah.